Hello, welcome back to my tutorial channel. In this video, I want to quickly show you how to upload a new database without affecting your previous one. Let's say you already have a previous database that have users and they have transactions they have performed and they have money in their wallet, and you have a new database file that has new features you want to update and you don't want to affect your previous users. This video will show you how to do that. Now, as you can see on the screen, it means I've already logged in to the control panel, the Cpanel, and I've gone to my PHP admin, my database environment. If you don't know how I got to this place, at the end of the video, I will repeat how I got to this place. Now, if you have gotten to this place, you see your database, the ones you have. In this case, I want to work on this Mobas 5-VTU. Click on it. Okay, you click on it, you allow it to open. Now I want to save the users. This is the users table. This table here, you see users here, it contains all my users. So I will click on the users because I don't want to affect the users. Now I'll go to export. You can see the export here. I'll click on the export. I will scroll down and I'll click on export and wait for it to export. You can see it has been saved here. You can see it here. It is in my download. If you click on this arrow, you see it show in folder. You see it in my download folder. Now I also want to save their Monify account. They have a Monify account. I will click on Monify. I'll go to export. Okay, but in this case, these users don't have any Monify account. But I'm saying if they have Monify account, the same thing I did in the users, the same thing you do here. Click on Monify, it will open for you. You see all the account numbers. Click on export, then scroll down to export here. Now I don't need to export because I don't need the Monify. If you need it, another thing I need is from the database is maybe the admin login, so that you still use your default login to log in. But that is not the issue. Let's say I want to save transactions now. These are transactions they have performed and I want to save it so that they will see their previous transactions. I will now click on the transaction as I have clicked on it now. I will click on export. I will scroll down to export again. It will export the transactions. As you can see it here, it has been exported here. Now, what I will do next is to delete the entire database because I have saved the ones I want to save. So I will now click on the heading here. The heading here, I'll click on it. I will scroll down where I'm seeing everything. You can see that I'm seeing everything here. I will check all. I will select here, select with. I will go to drop. I will click on drop. It will ask me, are you sure you do really want to execute the following query? That I will drop the whole of this. I will click yes. Now the table will be empty. You see, it is now empty. So I'll now go to import and then import the new database I want to work with, the new one. So I'll now click on choose a file. I'll locate where the new file is, the new database I want to update or I want to upload. This is a database. I will click on it. I will click on open. I will scroll down and I will click on import. I'll wait for you to import the database. You see, it have imported, and this is the database. It is back. Now this one already have users. You already have users. You already have users. So, but this is not the users I want. This is not what I want. This is not what I want. I don't want this. I want to use the previous one I saved. So I'll go to operations here. And I will drop it. Delete the table. I will drop it. I'll click on OK. Wait for you to finish processing. Now you can see that if you scroll down, you see that the users is no more there. The table having the users is no more there. Now I also want to save the transactions. I will click here and delete it because I want to use the previous one. I'll click on, after I have clicked on it, I'll now click on operations. Operations is here. I will scroll down and I'll click on delete the entire table. I'll click OK. Okay, so the database called transactions, the database table called transactions has been removed. Users has been removed. You can see that you don't have users, you don't have transactions here. Now I want to now import those ones I saved, those ones I exported from the previous database. So I'll now go up. You will see new. You click on this new. It will give you an empty table for you to create, but don't need you to create. Just click on import, then choose file. Go to where you have the users table. Academy. These last two tables here, these users and these transactions are the ones I just saved from the previous database. So I'll now pick any one. I want to do users now. Click on users, click on open, and I'll go down and click on import. I will allow you to import. It's done. Okay. I will scroll down again. You see, users is now there. If you click on it, you see all your previous users are back. Now you go back to new again and click on new. Then click on import. Choose a file. Scroll down to the table you want to import. Now I'm done with users. I want to import transactions. I'll click on it. Click on open. Scroll down and click on import. So it has been imported. If you go down, you see that you now have transactions table. When you click on it, you see that they are all there. So this is how you will update the database without affecting anything. Also, if you have users that have pins, maybe they have bought recharge card or examination card pins, you need to save this backup also. Also, if you have recharge card pins and pins you have already loaded in your portal, you need to save these cards. You need to save this also. So any table you want to save, first of all, do as I did. Click on it, export and save it separately. Then at the end, delete the entire table, install a new one, and then import back those ones you deleted. So how I came to this place, I said I will tell you how I was able to locate this place. You go to your control panel. This is the first thing you see. If you log into your control panel and then you click on PHP My Admin, it will load and then take you to that place where I was from the beginning. I'll now select the database I want to work on, which is this one, and now work on it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you have any question, ask me on the comment section. I will give you a reply. Thank you. Have a nice day.